तो अब मैं बिना किसी ताखीर के दावत दूंगा इंग्लिश स्पीच के लिए दर्जा उला के तालिब इल्म हाफिज मोहम्मद अली शाम को कि वो स्टेज पर आए और अपनी पुरसुज आवाज में खताब फरमाएं।
नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। Respected teacher, dear friends and my sweet fellow, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I will talk about a dream that became a country called Pakistan. Long ago, Muslims in India were treated unfairly. Their religion, culture and rights were not respected. They were not free. But our great leader Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Jinnah said, we want freedom. We want a land where we can live like true Muslims. My brother, this dream was not easy. It is full of pain, struggle and sacrifices. Many people gave their lives. Many mothers lost their sons. Many children lost their fathers. My brother, they did not give up. They believed in a better tomorrow. Our ulama, our leader, and even common people stood up like mountains.